Say goodbye to heavy tables. Meet the Lifetime 6-foot folding picnic table that packs flat in a snap. Gather together and make memories outdoors with the Lifetime 6-foot folding picnic table. Designed for ultimate convenience, it folds completely flat, making it incredibly easy to store and transport wherever you need it. Setup is quick and simple. Just unfold the legs and secure the safety locks for a stable and reliable surface. Spills are no worry. The surface is stain-resistant and wipes clean effortlessly. Built to last, its steel-reinforced frame provides superior strength and durability for years of use. Enjoy the attractive rough-cut texture, giving you the natural look and feel of wood without any of the difficult maintenance. Plus, stay comfortable on sunny days thanks to the convenient, built-in umbrella hole. Perfect for family meals, barbecues, or projects. This spacious table comfortably seats up to 8 people. And because it's UV protected, it won't crack, chip, or peel, even when left outdoors. Enjoy countless gatherings with the trusted quality of Lifetime.